back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope y'all had a wonderful time. It was 2024, now it's 2025. Let's see what happens in this year. So, this is our new channel. We had an old one, Starseed Journey, but I'm ready for new and brighter and better things. So, I'm going to be unboxing an Amazon Basics 8-piece non-stick cookware set. Ooh, y'all heard that? Okay, so I want y'all to come along with me, and I'm going to show y'all also some things because, as y'all know, I had home renovation and I had a new kitchen that I was working on. So I was basically working like 80-something, 70-something hours to try to get this done. Now, I had an old kitchen, so I'm going to show you the old, and then I'm going to show you the new and improve. And we got a new washer like I told you I would. All right, guys, let go. So who would I be but myself if I didn't do some resale therapy? So I have never ever, you know that game, I have never ever been given $500 and told I could spend it and it's mine for free, and I didn't have to do anything for it. I mean, what a blessing. But we went to Harris Teeter's and it was so good. It's like Whole Foods to me. The prices were okay, much better, I would say. I had to get me some of those cherries, Manchester cherries or whatever they call. So good, amazing. I love them. Like, I be craving them. Like, it's 2 in the morning right now and I'm eating them. But I had to, you know what I'm saying, get me some groceries. And I was like, hey, and there's that song, Can You Make Love Me or Not, Love Me or Not, Love Me or Not. Y'all know that song? But I didn't want to get copywritten. So I was in the aisle talking about, ooh, 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 I got a crush on you. Ooh, ooh. But anyway, don't mind me. So y'all already know I got my special person. I'm gonna let y'all hear. That's right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing an 8-piece Amazon cookware set. It is 8-piece non-stick cookware set from Amazon, and I'm gonna let y'all see how it is. Well, happy New Year! How was y'all New Year's? How was y'all Christmas? So if you celebrate it, it comes with this. It's double boxed, so it's like 2 boxes inside. It looks like this. That's the top for one. Ooh, I like it. It looks pretty cool. So it's affordable. I'll put the link below. And if you want to get this for yourself, anyone else, I, as you know, got some my racial rate pasta. I will show you that. But this is my review. So I'm looking. This is how it looks, non-stick. It's pretty cool. I like it. So this is all the stuff, obviously. I'm trying to. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. It comes with double box, great packaging. So if you want, you could go. They have different colors. This is black. I got the black, of course, with the silver bottom. Non-stick, non-scratch. Pretty cool. Okay. This I'm guessing is for rice. And okay. This is the last one, the frying pan. Amazing! Alright, so now let's get to the good stuff. So like I said, it's affordable, and this is the Amazon Basics 8-piece cookware set in black. And it's about $55.99 if you want it. It's really good, really sturdy. See? So it's really good packaged. It's like extra, you know, protected. I'll say it has all these things. It's very durable and it lasts. So once again, I'll put in the description box below. All right, guys. Before. Me after.
Mommy, we need a dough.
It's finally done. Yeah, it's official. Look at my new kitchen. Yeah. Yeah. What is it looking like?
You don't. Oh, you talking.
Yep, new washer. That's right. There we go. You like it? So it's a 2-in-1. 2-in-1. So it's a washer and a dryer. See? Yeah. Okay. 2-in-1. Blowing kisses in the mirror.
Auntie, we're holiday.
This is what I got on now. Savage. Savage by Dior.
Yes.
That was Gucci Flora. I don't think they sell Gucci. Oh, they sell the. I don't see the Gucci Flora. It's just that old Gucci. It's the section I want. Hello. I'ma definitely need this one. Did you try the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opal? Go this way. Oh, they got Zales. Oh, I know my bag. Hey, Tyler. Look what I found. Okay. All right. What y'all thought? Oh my goodness, I love me some vanilla Yankee candles. I don't know who else does, but hey girly. Hey guys. Yes, I'm with you, but thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and just being here with me. I hope you liked the video. This was just a little quick video, just to get y'all in the mix. Okay, I'm preparing a whole new set of videos for you, so stay tuned. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.